Hi, welcome to Egghead's Barbecue and Grill mobile kitchen build. We have hit a milestone. We've installed the first interior piece of paneling. This is FRP, fiberglass reinforced plastic, which means we can start actually installing stuff for real on the inside. So this is the hand wash sink. It's going to be plumbed down into our interior holding tank for drain and gray water. That's actually going to have a drain on the bottom that goes out the floor and then off to the side with a valve. So the rest of this stuff, that big empty hole is where the 3-bay sink is going to go. There it is right there. So each of those drains is just a little bit longer than the next to get a nice little taper down from the left where the broom is down to hook up into there and then eventually go down into the drain tank. So that's pretty cool. So this FRP actually goes in pretty easily once you it cuts kind of rough. It destroys utility blades, but it's pretty good. So when put the next piece in, we should be able to install the 3-bay sink and get that drain all plumbed up. At least not glued together yet, because still want to have access to the back. You can see there's no faucet there yet, so it's not a very useful sink as is. So nothing's really permanently attached. The PVC isn't glued in place yet. So we're just kind of rough fitting everything, make sure it fits, and then we'll get around to actually installing it for real once the interior plumbing, the water lines are done too. So we have some PEX pipe that's going to handle all the water lines. And of course, all this needs to tie into the water pump. We have that SureFlow water pump. It's going to live down here next to the battery, have its own circuit. We have the solar power installed, running. It's been kind of going since last fall when we installed it, keeping the battery nice and charged. We'll run up to a little DC bus to run lines for all the other DC power. And then of course the hot water itself is going to come from this instant hot water heater. That'll have a line to a propane tank or two out on the front of the trailer. So we've got power, we've got hot water, and we've got plumbing. All the things we need for this mobile kitchen to get licensed and going. So that's it for the project so far this spring. We will continue with the 3-bay sink installation, get some more paneling up there, and then of course start plumbing in the actual water lines. See you next time.